What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Dirt and Grease. Today is going to be a little preview and update, I guess you could say, of what's going on with the Vic. I know I ain't put a video out for a little bit, so I'm gonna bring y'all up to date, tell y'all what happened and what's going on with it. What we have here is a little junk pile I have going on. And in this view, this frame, there's a little hint about, what the video is going to be about. So, can you guess what it is? We got camshafts, intake manifold, and some other things down there. Give you a second to think. You might have guessed right. If you haven't guessed it, well, this is what's going on with the Vic right now. Currently off the road. She had a little accident, so time to fix some things. The front bumper was trashed. Pretty much the whole front end. Front bumper, header panel, radiator, condenser, hood, both fenders, and the driver door, of course. It looks a little rough, don't it? Yeah, the door was actually good at first, but it wouldn't open all the way, so kind of got bent to get in and out of it. It's all good though. Left fender, passenger fender, it was already been up from a tree branch falling on it. So, I just gotta replace it sooner, I guess. And I already wanted a paint job, so pockets ain't that deep though, but I'll find a way. Unless, of course, you guys think that I should maybe just take the motor out and get another Crown Vic, or fix this one. I'm thinking I'm gonna fix this one. The frame isn't bent or anything. The motor still runs good. Just pretty much some body damage to it. But let me know what you think in the comments.